Good afternoon and welcome back to another Toolbox video, and it's another Halfords modular tray set. So this modular tray set is the air-finished drive socket set. I'll just show you it there. There we go, that's for the thumbnail. And let's get to open this, and the folding knife makes a return. So we'll just get this cellophane off. I don't even need to use a knife here for this. Do this with my eyes shut. As ever, remember to dispose of your packaging responsibly and recycle where possible. Put that to one side. You know the drill. There you go. His name is Fred. So I don't even need to nick the tape on this one. I could just get the corners and pull it all off. Well, for the most part. Right, I'll just nick the tape. If you carefully nick it, don't dig in with the knife. That's the trouble with these, is the tape. And then when you pull the tape off, no, I'm sure this one, probably, if you can see, it's still a bit of the adhesive, but fortunately that's not going to be visible when it's in the tool chest, so not something you really need to worry about. So these are the various sockets. Obviously we've got the ratchet, a couple of extension bars, sockets from 10 right up to 34mm. Obviously not in, you've got 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, right up to 22, then we go 24, 27, 30, 32 and 34. And as you can see, they're all six-sided, which is handy for taking off bolts without rounding them. We've got a few deep ones. We've got 10, 13, 17, 19 and 22 and a 1/2 inch drive UJ. Now, as with the other size ratchets, I'll just demonstrate what James at the Savage Garage has done. I'll just stick a deep one in, just push it in. Not to be as much a bit of movement there, but it's a quality item. As with the normal sockets, the deep ones, they're six-sided, which is a good thing. Doesn't say many of the deep sockets, but I don't have that many deep sockets, so it's better than none, I suppose. I've got the two extension bars, so that'll just complement the rest of my sockets quite nicely. So next I'll show you it in the tool chest. So as you can see, we've got the empty space in the top drawer, so I've got all my 3 socket sets together, looking quite good. So that brings me up to 12. So we've got the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and the 1/2 inch drive socket sets. And the next drawer, got the extension bar set and the bit set. I'm not sure what I'll put in there. Maybe the impact bits. I don't think of any other socket sets to get apart from Imperial stuff. Then down here, got my various spanners. Got my ratchet combination spanners, my normal combination spanners, and the offsets spanner set. And that one's gonna probably have more modular tray sets in. So moving on to this one, we've got the tin snips, adjustable spanners, and screwdriver and Allen key sets. And lastly, I think, can't remember where we're up to. Should be 12. And then we've got the pliers set. So let's have a look. I'll just count it again. So 3 there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can't have 9. 3, 5, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I forgot to count them. So, yep, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Yeah, so I've definitely got 12 sets. And I think Blue's garage still has a bit of catching up to do. He got a load at Christmas, but I'm pulling away once again. So that's it. Oh, I'll tell you what I'll do before I finish this video. You'll be wondering what this impact gun is doing here. And the reason is, for years, I thought it was a bit weird. It wouldn't even take off wheel nuts. And then by chance, I was looking at a review for an impact gun on the Screwfix website, the Bauer one. People had problems with it, and it turned out it was the air hose. I'll just show you. This is the air hose I've been using with my impact. And this is what I got with my small compressor. I bought a tool set and this hose, and it's I'll just get my calipers out. In fact, I can't measure the inside diameter, which is what counts. But if I can measure the outside diameter, let's have a look. Get it the right way around. It's just about 15. Just over 15 mil. But this other hose, which is a bit thicker, I'll just measure the outside diameter of that, and that's a bit thicker actually. It looks like 17 mil, but it does have the inside diameter on it. Bauer, and there we go. I don't know if you can see it. See if it's all rubbed off. There we go. 9.5 mil, which is the inside diameter. And your air impacts, I recommend probably about a minimum of something like 10 mil, so that's going to be a lot less. It's going to be narrower through this flexio, so no wonder it was so weedy. And I was thinking it was just because I think I paid 20 quid for this on eBay. I'm thinking of investing in a better one. I was also thinking about getting a cordless impact as well, but a decent one's going to cost money. And it's only for DIY use, but I need some of them little pull wheel bolts off. I did consider either Ryobi or DeWalt. Now, for those that don't know, the company that makes Ryobi actually owns Milwaukee. So, interesting fact there. You can get the same quality for just basically the same as Milwaukee, but it costs a bit less. So, yep, I'll be using this hose with my impact gun. I just need a suitable quick release adapter. So I'll sort that out, and hopefully my impact will work a bit better if there's more air going through it. Anyway, so I think I better wrap this video up. So that's it for this video. So I've got all the socket sets now. So I just keep on buying more of them. I'm going to get them all in the end. and a bit of a race with Bluedy's Garage there. Big shout out to you, Luke, if you're watching this. Anyway, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment and click that bell for notifications. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you.